Alright, ladies and gents, we have 3 razors and 1 Can-Am, which they're all getting systems because that's the way we do it. The first razor that I'm working on, we'll say 1 with windshield, 1 without windshield. The idea is one's getting a 5-channel for a sub and 4 speakers. The other one's getting his own 2 speakers with an amplifier to power them and a Bluetooth controller. So these are the 2 cars right here. So this one right here is a simple project for these guys. That's the amplifier. That is the amplifier. The wires you guys saw yesterday, they ran through there, straight on through there. And where's the other cables for the back speakers? The back speakers are gonna go right here. And this one,
Backstreet Boys.
this one is running the wires right now. This one that just came this morning. See just how that one is. This one's gonna be the same. So the wires run down the middle, covered in the professional loom that it is. Hook up to the battery, which is right there. And that's all I got for you right now. It's only 9:30, you know. Still haven't even got breakfast yet.
Yeah, we need some breakfast.
Let's go check out Lewis taking care of that subwoofer box. So this is the box that we use on the razors. It goes right in the glove box. So it has an opening for a 10-inch. It's pretty deep. It's very solid. So it's made by SSB Works. They're not sponsoring this channel, so don't buy from them until they do.
Este no es el que les había fallado.
Somebody's moody today.
Huh?
Somebody's moody today. You making mad already? Junior? Let's go check out the iPad mount that he did. See if it even looks good. Look at the temperature. 10:37 and it's already blistering hot. What's up, buddy? What you got? Can we see it now?
Yeah, it's on there.
Take it out. Oh, what you guys know about that? So that's gonna be the magnets and the charging system. Customized by yours truly.
So the customer could take his iPad, now it has a case home, and if he has the same dock, he could install it in his house and charge his iPad and everything. And just goes there in his Ferrari.
So this Ferrari is like a little bit older, right? What year is this shit?
It's 2012.
Check out the custom they did. LC2 with a grill. Easy access port. That's not that easy. Amplifier over there. Alpine amp. What'd you think about the install?
It's alright.
It's alright.
It's better than the ones we get here, you know, from the local shops around here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
So it's better than that. I wish they had the grill. He probably dented the grill and lost it a while ago. Alright, so now that the now that the Ferrari has its iPad mount, they're gonna finish up the controller that the little frame we did, connect everything, bada bing, bada boom. It's magic, baby. It's magic. Today's projects, I got the 2 razors and I got the Ferrari, which we're almost done with. They're gonna pick that up today. We got a Toyota Camry 2019 with a custom trunk that we've been working on for the last 4 months. Customer doesn't really have enough time to be here full force, so he comes in whenever he has time and we do a little bit of work here and there. So that's all I got right now on the schedule. Oh, also we have the Maverick, which is the Can-Am version of a razor, you know, same UTV. So we're going to take care of all that stuff, and then hopefully we get some more jobs, because you know it's been slow during the week and we need to make some money, and I got to get to work on that. So today, stick with me. I still want to do daily vlogs. They don't want to do daily vlogs. They want to do weekly vlogs, but I just feel like if we can kind of make it work better, it'll be better. So now we're going to give you guys more explanation on what's going on, and then along with some beauty clips that it makes it look more like a TV show vlog type of deal, you know? So Junior's now gonna be confronted with me. We're gonna have one-on-one sessions about what's gonna be going on to the vehicles, and then that way everybody's on the same page, and hopefully you guys will like the videos a lot better. Cool. Dude. Supposed to make it easier for me to talk. Like, yo, sup, dog? Check it out, bro. Anyways, we're just doing like I don't know. We're just trying to change the style of the YouTube. One, you can't talk shit to the camera no more. Two, you have to say like, oh yeah. Both are supposed to leave today.
Oh yeah. Okay, this one's more ahead.
Why? What happened? There's only 2 speakers. No, this one's for. This is.
There's 4 speakers.
Is it 4 speakers?
Not the great. Another custom. Bro,
Oh.
if you don't know what you sold, that's the problem, bro.
Well, I sold 3 of them, so I forgot. Like, well, that one's 2 speakers. This is 2 speakers as well, no?
You got a problem there, bro.
No, that one's 4 speakers.
That was 2 speakers.
This one too?
This is 2 speakers, yeah. I'm gonna record you this side because the light hits you there.
Okay, you sell 2 speakers for that one.
Yeah,
But
his own speakers, yeah.
So you don't sell speakers on that one?
This one is only the back speakers and the subwoofer box
Yeah.
and the amp
The Bluetooth.
and the Bluetooth.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's easy when you just sold one thing, bro. Try making 10 sales in a day, and then try to figure out.
I still did it in Paris.
Ampere.
And I did the install.
Why are you lying?
You can't even fucking
Look at that. What are you playing with?
disappointed. Disappointed.
Bro, it wasn't my fault, dog. You know whose fault it is?
Seller of the year supposedly doesn't even know what the fuck he sold.
I know what I sold. I just confused of which one got what I sold.
Sure.
Do you know what I mean? That's what the work order is for, anyways. So the work order is so we can know what we did.
Yeah, did you do it?
Yeah, of course.
What? Can he understand it though?
What's the with it?
You have like fucking doctor handwriting.
Chicken scratch. Careful, you don't get shot. Hey, Razor Friday. Yeah, that's what we're gonna put in the thing. I don't know, they just started crawling in like freaking savages. Like, oh, I'll get my Razor system today. I want it today before the weekend. Let's go check out Adam. Adam, what is going down? UTV Friday, baby. Look at this nice clean install. Only his grandmother would be proud. She'd be like, oh, Adam, you know how to run the cable so nice. I'm gonna buy you a pie. Look at this. This is the amp. This is pretty much the amp's go-to. You got the 2 speakers. What is this for? Oh, the whips. Whips, speakers, amplifier, power wire. Can you get any better than that? I don't. And then it goes like that. Well, bam, bam. Yeah, the Bluetooth is gonna be on.
This one. Where's the work order for this one? I know sorry. Get it. ¿Qué Bluetooth va a llevar
The
ese?
work for the you did.
Hey, no, that was for that one. ¿Qué Bluetooth va a llevar ese?
Yeah.
Igual
Same
a
one?
este. No tienes más.
Yeah, I have more. I got like 10 of them, dog. Come on, Nada, let's go get the stuff.
Dame las bocinas para este.
Para este? Let's go get the stuff that they need. The kicker piece goes to you. Where's the kicker piece? That kicker module is for you. It's for those speakers.
For some reason, it's not charging. I don't know what. my dad said I borrowed his phone.
Okay, so the part's not working, and he's talking with tech support.
07.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Will they solve it? I don't know. Doesn't look like it. I think they're gonna make us get a piece from some other place, another city. We're gonna drive over there and pick that up.
850I 1438. Yeah. The black I-port launch.
But anyways, we'll wait to see what they say. Keep you informed in a bit.
I talked to Tom and then he referred me with Jackie and Fontana.
This is a problem. Jack's here.
No, I just talked to the guy from tech support.
All right, I'm gonna finish editing, and then see what happens. Junior had to send his brother all the way to where does he go? Where did he go? Fontana, bro, to get the part and have it exchanged. Then we get the part and it's bad again. The second one is bad. Oh my God, I don't know what's gonna happen. But Junior's frustrated. Look at him over there walking around like he's frustrated. And Christian's stuck. We have to deliver the Ferrari tonight. All right, the Razors are ready to go home. No sonido? Alright, so the two Razors are going to be gone tonight. Hopefully. Adios. Bye-bye. So. Alright, so I think they're done with all this. Ferrari, it's getting tested right now to see if that module is going to work. Hopefully it does. We already exchanged it. Christian's got back. So let's just hope, man. Let's hope. I have a feeling I fucked up something.
A razor?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Yeah.
Stop or a pair of speakers? Maybe the radio?
Pair of speakers, I think. We'll see.
Better call the customer.
All right, Junior. Any luck with the new one?
It works.
No way.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jeebus. Was it a bad product then?
Yeah.
Bad. It was a bad piece. Working. Thank God. But we are behind. How late are we? 24 hours late?
He doesn't want the car no more. He wants it tomorrow.
Cool. So you see that? Now he's just putting on the last piece, which is the Ferrari piece.
You don't have to wake up early. You don't have to wake up early. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Oh, he wants you to drive it to him tomorrow? Yeah, we'll be. Let's leave at 7, so we'll be back by 9. I'll ride shotgun with you.
Leave at 5:30.
You have to leave at 5:30? Why?
For you to be there on time.
For you to be there at 8?
Yeah. I left at 5:30 to get the car. Pick up there like 10 minutes before he opened.
Before he opened?
Yeah.
Cool. So we'll leave at 4:30, 5:30. Okay? And we'll be together forever. If you let me drive in that front seat, I'll go with you. I'll be here. If you take me with you, I'll be here. I can fit. They're wide, bro. Don't you know there's a lot of bigger millionaires, dog? They need the seats wide, dog. Ferrari is going home tomorrow. All right, Junior. We're done for the day. So I don't know how I'm gonna do weekly vlogs. I still haven't figured it out. You know, the ideas are good, but we're still figuring it out. Look at this. Look at that.
Huh?
It's a pretty good idea, you know? Yeah. I give him props for trying. Here you go.
Yeah, I give you props for trying doing daily vlogs and
that was cold. That's a right there, right here in the gut, homie. Ah, dang it. Hey, let's go to the wash, bro.
Hey, he spends all day doing these videos. He doesn't even pay attention to customers.
Is that what you? Is that why you don't want me to do with David?
He only gets 30 views.
Is that why you don't want me to do both of them?
No, I think he's rushing you.
That's a tear coming down my eye. You guys hear the tear? Listen to as my heart shatters.
Like I tell him.
Me too.
I tell him. Sit
Salman
down.
does every day.
Sit down.
They want to see it on. Se ocupan pelos, güey?
No, it's very safe now. Pelos is what's
Cool.
good. Get it on.
Whew. Okay, guys, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. Everything's ready, wrapped up. So, hope you enjoy this. And like I said, we're gonna try to do something different with the show. I appreciate you guys watching all the time. And comment, like, subscribe, do your thing. Hit the bell notification.